Hello, my name is Nadia Mariel Garcia Campos, a student of the Benemérite Autonomous University of Puebla, and then I will present the topic of my favorite festivals. Celebration of the Virgin of Guadalupe. The Feast of the Virgin of Guadalupe in Ayutla de los Libres Guerrero is a celebration deeply rooted in the faith and tradition of the community. Every December 12th, the two comes alive with festivities to honor the patroness of Mexico through pilgrimages filled with religious fervor, music, and local culture. From early in the morning, the streets full with devotees arriving from nearby communities to participate in masses, prayers, and the traditional mañanitas dedicated to the Virgin. In the chapel of the main church, the focal point of the celebration, a majestic image of the Guadalupana, is adorned with colorful flowers, symbolizing the devotion and gratitude of the faithful. The Feast of the Virgin of Guadalupe in Ayutla is not only an expression of faith, but also a reminder of the unity and cultural heritage of this town in Guerrero, which renews its commitment to tradition and spirituality every year. Celebration of the Virgin of Guadalupe. Another festivity in Ayutla de los Libres Guerrero that is filling you with pride and joy is the celebration of the Queen of March 1st. This tradition is having a very special meaning for our community because it is commemorating the signing of the Plan of Ayutla, an agreement that is aiming to overthrow Antonio López de Santa Anna from the presidency of Mexico, thus representing the union of our customs and the identity of our people. The coronation of the Queen is becoming the most anticipated moment. The young participants are being selected not only for their beauty but also for their character and respect they are showing for our tradition. The Queen is symbolizing the hope, joy, and strength of Ayutla. During the ceremony, dressed in traditional outfits that are reflecting our cultural richness, she is being crowned amid applause, music, and fireworks. It is a spectacle that is filling hearts with pride. The Queen of March 1st is not just a celebration, it is becoming the soul of Ayutla that is shining every year, reminding us that our tradition are the thread connecting us as a community. Queen of March 1st. The difference between both festivities is that the celebration of the Virgin of Guadalupe is a more religious and faith-based event. In this case, pilgrims and the community as a whole give thanks to the Virgin for the miracles she has granted them, as their faith in her and their religion is very strong. On the other hand, the festivity of the Queen on March 1st commemorates the plan of Ayutla each year, a plan that helped overthrow Antonio López de Santa Anna from power and establish a democratic and federalist government in Mexico. Comparison between the two celebrities.